Hello, my name is Arturo González Treviño, and this is my final project of math. I'm group 406. We are going to start with our project. We have to make the derivative of this problem, which is f of x for cosine cubed x squared minus pi plus 1/4 cosine x squared minus pi cubed. We are going to divide this problem into two parts, part 1 and part 2 over here. First one, we are going to make part 1 and we are going to derivate this part. Pay close attention to this cubed. It's after the cosine. This means that it affects from here, all the cosine, all the way to the parentheses. All of this is cubed. So we go ahead and write the cube right here, and we are gonna make the chain rule. This is n, so we put n right here, then we put union, n minus 1, which is 2, and then we put union primed. And this union derivate is 2x right here minus sine, because the derivative of cosine is negative sine, and then we write this without the derivative, which is x squared minus pi. So this is the first part. Then we multiply the 4, the 3, and the 2, and we get 24x. We go ahead and copy this right here, cosine x squared minus pi squared, and minus sine x squared minus pi. This right here is our part 1. It's the answer of our part 1. It's the derivative of this. So we are done with part 1, and we go ahead and go to part 2. Part 2, we are going to derivate this part right here. Pay close attention here again with the cubed. The cubed is right outside, not beside the cosine. This means that it only affects what's inside right here. So we are going to use a chain rule again. This is n, so we multiply over here the 1/4, 3, and then we put the union here as it is, but n minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1, I mean, it's 2, times union primed, which is 2x, minus sine, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, times x squared minus pi cubed. So we get this answer right here. And the only thing that we change from here to here is that we simplified and we took out the negative right here. So it's negative 3x x squared minus pi squared times sine x squared minus pi cubed divided by 2. This right here is our final answer of the second part. So now we go to part 3. And part 3 is very easy. We only have to join part 1 and part 2 to get our answer. This was our answer from part 1. This was our answer from part 2. And we join them together to get part 3, which is 24x cosine x squared minus pi squared minus sine x squared minus pi minus, because the minus right here, 3x x squared minus pi squared times sine x squared minus pi cubed divided by 2. This right here is our final answer of the problem. So we are done with this problem. My name is Arturo González, and this was my final project from mathematics, room 406. Thank you very much for watching.